Welcome to our latest property, Colbeck Row in Birstall. A quiet little backwater, 2-bedroom property, cellar which has been totally done. The house has been done from top to bottom, fully refurbished, ideal for first-time buyers or investors alike. Please allow us to show you around. As you can see, the property, as I've said, fully refurbished from top to bottom, ready to move into with the absolute minimum of expense. If you'd like to view, give us a call 01924 692240 or email us on hello@trustsl.co.uk. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.